Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if your MOTOROLA Razr Fold isn't detecting your headphones. If you're using USB-C headphones with your smartphone, then first of all, try inspecting your USB-C port and make sure that it's clean. If it's not, then use a soft brush to carefully wipe any potential dust or any kind of cloggage that could have got stuck in there. And then simply restart your smartphone by pressing power button and volume up key at the same time, selecting restart, and waiting until your device is restarted. And after that, try using your headphones once again. If your phone still doesn't detect them, try using them with another device. If they work with another device, maybe you have to switch your adapter for the headphones. And if they do not work with another device, then most probably the issue lies within your headphones. Now, if you have issues with your Bluetooth headphones, however, then first of all, disable the airplane mode, enable Bluetooth connections. Then make sure that your Bluetooth headphones are in pairing mode. So not just enabled, but also are in pairing mode. Now, to check how to enter pairing mode on your Bluetooth headphones, you have to check the manual to them. Once they are in the pairing mode, you will see the LED indicator blinking. And if it's blinking, go to your Bluetooth devices, tap pair new device, and here you'll find your Bluetooth headphones. Once you pair them with your smartphone, they will be selected as the default sound output device. If you are already paired with them, but you cannot reconnect, then tap the gear icon next to them and select forget, and then try pairing your headphones once again. And if this doesn't help you, you can also try to restart your smartphone. And if restarting your smartphone doesn't help you as well, then go to System, Reset Options, and reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Okay, and then try repairing your smartphone once again. And after that, they should start working normally. And that's pretty much it for this video. So thank you so much for watching it. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.